exciting news for foldable phone fans. The OnePlus Open 2 is shaping up to be one of the first big smartphone releases of 2025, and it's bringing some serious upgrades. According to recent leaks, the OnePlus Open 2 will feature a larger display and an ultra-slim design. For context, the original OnePlus Open was already impressively thin, just 11.7 m folded and 5.8 m unfolded. The new model? Even slimmer. It's not just about looks. The Open 2 is rumored to pack a massive 5,700 mAh battery, a big jump from the previous model's 4,805 mAh. Plus, it's expected to run on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering blazing fast performance. And let's talk cameras. The OnePlus Open 2 will reportedly have 3 new 50MP sensors: main, ultra-wide, and 3x telephoto lenses. While the megapixels for the telephoto camera are fewer than before, these sensors are likely a big leap in quality. With these exciting upgrades, the OnePlus Open 2 could set new standards for foldables. Stay tuned for more details. We can't wait to see this in early 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay updated for more tech news.